I beat. What's the name?
You have the keys, right?
Huh?
Do you have the keys?
It's in the ignition.
Got it. Can't seem to break 125 in my car.
You can't?
Nope.
Why?
That's just that's probably just where it's at.
Hmm.
GoPro's on. Yeah, we're good.
Those brakes, I tell you.
Am I not in gear? Yeah, I am.
Yeah, I need a steering wheel, huh?
Well, I was determining whether or not I should leave my gloves on or not, but they feel okay.
Oh.
They're sticky on my polyurethane,
Yeah.
but it feels pretty good here.
Yeah, Drew didn't like it on his steering wheel.
Is that new? That's new?
That's what it used to do. Remember I was telling you? Nope. I don't know why it does that.
Interesting.
Remember I was telling you? Like it red line, or it's like a two-step.
there. Trying to do some heel toe, but I keep missing it. I feel it, a little vibration right there.
Yeah.
Good?
Yep.
That's it for me. Tires got too greasy. Pull on my phone, let's see what I ran. Yeah.
You ran a 127, dude. Oh, is that your best time of the day?
No, I ran with 25 in mine, but in your car.
A 27.9?
Yeah.
Damn.
That's not bad. It's solid, especially trying to learn your car, and it feels good. I like the way it feels.
Yeah?
That little vibration's weird, but it's controllable. It almost feels like tires scrubbing across the
It
concrete.
does, and that's how it was at first.
Yeah, I noticed it when we first went out too, but I just thought it was tire.
So what do you think it could be?
I don't know.
And then it did it, so now you know.
Yeah.
Bap, 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 bap. So I don't know what.
Yeah, just turn it off and on again. It seemed to work perfectly fine. It seemed to cut out a little bit around some of those S's. You see it? Like, but when I hit it, boy, it just went.
It's because the throttle's real light too.
We
so
might
you
need
have
a new
to-
distributor.
Oh.
It could be a distributor related issue where it's not like anything says it's bad, but it's still acting up.
Yeah.
Yes. Thanks, dude.
Yeah.
That was fun.
So is there anything you feel that it needs